Guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel, the Houston KOTV YouTube channel, which we may be changing the name. Doing an experiment. Look at this girl. Say what's up. So we got an experiment. I made a Facebook post, said I need pinion bearing pressed on this deal. And I got overwhelmed with people who said, don't do that. Cook your bearing, freeze your pinion. I know there's probably multiple people who've done this on here who's watching, but we're going to do experiment firsthand. I'm about to go throw this in the freezer, and then I'm going to get the oven preheated, and we're going to do a science experiment. Can we, on an 8/8, on a pinion bearing, can we make it slide on this deal without pressing it? Let's see what we can do. Y'all ready? Let's do it.
Whoa! I had stuff done.
All right. Whoa. Think it wasn't sealing real well. All right, we're gonna put this on top of the somewhere. Where are we putting this? Put it right up here. Right up there. Right there. Stick it under there. Doesn't look like it was sealing too good. All right, so we're gonna give it a minute. I'm gonna go preheat the oven downstairs. Come show me how to preheat the oven.
My face looks awful.
It's okay.
I had a procedure done.
You look great. You look great. You look great. You look great. Show him the monkey. Bucky. Oh, it's Bucky. What? Bucky. All right. Let's go preheat the oven. So in our house, for some reason, we have another one of these downstairs. So I guess we're going to bake 350. Let's see if we can go. Let's do 325. Start. So it's going to preheat, and then here in a minute we're going to stick this in here for 15 minutes is what I was told. All right, here we go. Obviously we're getting ready for Halloween. Here is our bearing into the 325 degrees. Doesn't feel like 325, but all right, here we go. Mr. Bones.
No.
Mr. Bones, Mr. Bones.
This is the anesthetic
Oh, okay.
part.
All right, here we go. 325, 15 minutes. Let's get it. All right, here we go. This sucker is pretty cold. Let's take it down. Timer's over. Let's see if it'll work. All right. Ooh, it's warm. Let's see if it'll work. I was told this should slide right on here. Ooh, it's definitely warm. Negative. Negatory. I might have to fail. Did not work. Did not work at all. Got her down a little farther. But did y'all notice what I did wrong? I know what, pretty sure what I did wrong. And you guys are probably telling me I did something else wrong. But I did not soak. I should have put some type of lubrication on that. Like a dummy. I was worried about the heat and the cold. Didn't think I should definitely have lubed that deal up. Oh well. I guess I'll make a run and then go buy something that I've been meaning to buy for a long time. We'll buy a suppress. So this is still cold. Did not work. I did get it quite a bit farther down on it with the help of the whammer and a piece of pipe that goes over top of this. But I'm gonna just go get a suppress, be done. So science experiment failed due to improper lubrication. It happens. It happens, guys. I should have put some oil on this and put some oil inside of this deal here, or inside of that on the inside, and that may have went down farther. Probably could have left this in a little while longer on the heat side of things as well. But, oh well. All right. Let's see. That didn't work. It is what it is. I'm going to go get a press, probably Harbor Freight press. I need one of the big stand-up ones anyway. for the other garage. But guys, real quick, this is our last week. GoPro Hero 11 Black. I have 2 of them. Let me see if I can grab both of them with the same hand. 2 of them here with a memory card for each of them. That is our giveaway that I've got going on for merch. This will be one of the last videos for it. And so go KOTVmotorsports.com, get in on that, and get yourself a chance to win one of these deals. I'll be drawing it next week sometime. I'm going to go live on YouTube. So, all right, guys, that's going to be it for this video. I'm going to get that. And then next video, we're going to be doing a bunch of stuff to this bad boy right here. So hit that subscribe button, notification bell, all that good stuff. We'll see you in the next one. Maybe I won't mess up the science experiment this next time. We'll see.
For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste. For the record, yeah. For the